April 20th, 2010, the planting of the jungle at Beau's place. Look at this. Bananas are going in at like 15 feet. Here are the broogs, some of them, hundreds of them. They go all the way back here. And there's more broogs over here. Composted horse manure. There's more broogs down here. Here is the backyard. Some of the plants out of the hoop house. More stuff coming through, going out front.
Very sick.
Most of the stuff is out of the greenhouse already.
Yeah, most of it, look.
At Beau's house, the jungle, April 20th, 2010. All the major accent plants look like